how to fix Instagram music no result found. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can fix Instagram music no result found. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So this can happen because of two things. One is that if you search for a song and couldn't find it, most likely means the song is not part of Instagram, so they don't have it in their library. Second thing that can affect is your account type, because your account type might be limiting your music results, so to change that, what we can do is open up the Instagram app on your mobile and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign in to your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, at the bottom right corner of your screen, you can see your profile picture, so just go ahead and click on that. After that, click on these three lines and then just scroll down until you see Account Type and Tools under For Professional section. Then just go ahead and click on that. As you can see, my account is personal, but if your account is a professional account, then you need to switch it back to personal accounts if you want full access to Instagram music. So that's how you can fix Instagram music no result found. That's all for this video.